Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 138/66 Chevelle. You know what that means? It's a real SS, guys. And this one's got a 4-bolt main, 396, big horsepower under the hood. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it up on the lift so you can see the bottom side. We're gonna pop the hood and take a look at that big block Chevy. We're gonna look at that black interior. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Chevelle investment. So come on up and let's fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. This blue paint is slick as can be. Chrome on the front bumper looks like it's brand new. The front grille looks like it's brand new. The trim on the nose here is looking great too. It looks like it's brand new. The emblem here on the hood looks like it's beautiful. The big block hood's looking great. The lines are lined up nice. Now we have two faint little scratches right here. I'm gonna have the guys work on those a little bit. Maybe we can make those disappear a little bit. You look down the side of the car, she is sharp as can be. Love the wheels. It looks like it's got fairly new BFGs on it. The rocker molding's looking good. The doors lined up nice and flush here. All the stainless looks good here. The doors lined up nice here also. Door handle looks like it's brand new. Door operates nice and smooth. You can see that the lips here are all nicely painted. They had the latch out when they did the restoration, so that shows they care. We've got great looking rubber here. Door panels looking good. The paintwork in here looks great. Center console there with the 4-speed shifter. We got seat belts front and rear. Looks like we've got 3 in the rear. The fuzzies look like they've been replaced here. The trim around the back glass looks good. Headliner's in good shape. And I love this 2-spoke wheel. And then the tack right there on the steering wheel looks great, and all the lenses are nice and clean. You can see the faces, the gauges are nice and clean. All the chrome on the dash looks brand new. Carpeting looks great. I mean, it is an amazing build. There's even a 3-pack of gauges under the dash. The wheel lip moldings look like they're new. We got moldings back here looking great. The Super Sport looks good. Back chrome on the bumper looks like it's brand new. All the trim here around the tail lights is looking good. Let's see. I bet the one with the red on it is the trunk. Hey, looky there. Look inside that trunk. Look how nice and clean that is. Back sides of the quarters look good. The wheel wells are nice and solid. Trunk floor is nice and solid. They've put the stickers on here. We got nice paint here. The lips look nice and clean here. The gutters are all nice and clean. The rubber looks new. You look down the side of the car, she's nice and straight. No dents, no dings. The door fits nice. The gaps are nice and straight. And again, the whiskers have been all replaced on this side also. It looks like the rubber was replaced also. Now the vent window does look like it's probably original to the car, showing just a tiny bit of age. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this car. Right now we have about 230 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars, guys. We bought 47 cars last month and I was involved in buying every one of them. So that means you're getting my 35 plus years of experience in the muscle car industry helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's go for a ride in this 66 Chevelle. She's sweet, guys. Love these big block cars, 4-speed, beautiful paint, driving great. And you know what? We can ship it anywhere in the world. So give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. Now, Tommy answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So call him anytime. He will answer any questions you have about this car. And if you want some help with financing on it, we got 3 bankers we're working with on financing right now. We can hook you up with one of the bankers with about a 15-minute phone call, and this dream is as good as in your driveway. Listen to the exhaust, man. Sounds great. Nothing sounds like a big block Chevy, baby. This thing is sweet. Now, our shop's right outside the Motor City. We're real close to the airport. So if you'd like to fly in and check out this car or one of the other 225 cars we happen to have in stock right now, please come on out. We'd love to have you. Now, you know, we sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen to our customers, so we don't get to meet a lot of our customers. So we love it when you guys come in and check out the cars, because we love to meet you guys. Love to show you our inventory. Now we're bringing in about 45 new cars every month, so look at us often. Now down here on the dash, the speedo is working, the tach is working, then we got the 3-pack of gauges underneath the dash here. Voltage, water temp, and oil pressure. 4-speed's working great, exhaust is sounding awesome. Just love the look of the car, love the feel of the car. It's got a great sound to it. Now, if you'd like any up-close pictures of any specific area of the car, call Tom, talk to him. If you see something on the car you'd like a little bit different to make it your perfect car, we got a whole team of mechanics here at Vanguard. Call Tom, let him know what you're thinking, and we can get you a quote to do just about anything to a car that needs to be done, guys. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. Then we're gonna pop the hood, see what's going on under the hood, what's making all the music coming out of those tailpipes. All right, we're underneath this 66 Chevelle now. Man, is she sharp under here. You can see brand new tank, and take a look at the stainless steel exhaust. Look at those TIG welds. It looks like a sewing machine put that together. What a beautiful job, and they polished it all up. It's got new bushings, the trunk floor looks good. We got a chrome cover on this 12 bolt. There's right around a 411 gear, and it is Posi. We got a sway bar on there. The lower arms are reinforced. It looks like it's got fairly new shocks. The guys will pull the brakes apart. It does have drum brakes on the back. They'll check out those brakes. It's got stainless steel pipes on the mufflers. It's pipes, mufflers. Anyway, lower frame here is looking good. You always want to check the low spots in the frame. Back side of the rocker looks good. Floorboards look great. Drive shaft looks like it's new. It's all cleaned up. Looks like a brand new brake line front to back, brand new fuel line front to back. It does have a Muncie 4-speed. It's got long tube headers that have been jet coated. It does have the stock cast bell housing. It does have the stock clutch linkage. Bottom side of the motor's nice and clean. It looks like it's got a brand new disc brake setup on the front. The ball joints look new. The sway bar bushings look new. Shocks look like they're new. All the steering gear, the guys will check all that out. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Core support looks good. The core support's one of the things that I look at on every car. Now the bushings up here also look good. Core support's a telltale sign of what kind of shape the car's in normally. Chrome on the front bumpers looks great. Let's look at those tires. All right, up front we got torque thrust wheels. They look like they're brand spanking new, and 225/60/15s BFGs. The moldings here on the rockers look good. You always want to check the back sides of the fenders. All I feel is smooth metal there, and the pinch weld looks good, and the bottom side of the rocker looks good. This is another low spot in the frame. You want to take a look at that also. Solid as a rock. Let's look at the back. All right, out back here, we got some more rubber back here. We got two 55/70/15s, same good looking wheel. And again, check out this lip right here where that inner wheelhouse comes out to the corner. It's nice and clean. Just make sure you don't get your finger on one of them screws. Them babies are sharp. Rocker molding looks good, and again, pinch weld looks great. And like I said earlier, low spot in the frame, you always want to take a look, and this one looks great. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a period correct 396. The casting on this is 65/66. It's got a Winters intake and Winters aluminum heads on it. It does have a dual feed Holley sitting on top of that 4-barrel intake. It does have an HEI distributor. Look at the paint job on that firewall, looking beautiful. We got power brakes, power steering. We've got an old style top on the battery. Now this is a maintenance free battery with just a top on it to make it look like the old style battery. This actually is shut off so you can shut your electricity off when you're not driving it. It's got an aluminum water pump on it. Looks like it's got an aluminum radiator too that's been painted black. Underside of the hood's nicely painted. Inner wheelhouses are nicely painted. This is the reservoir for the power steering. It does have big tube headers on it. The car's amazing, guys. She's got a big block. It's beautiful, black interior. It's a 4-speed. It don't get much better than this. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.